Hi friends. For our movement activity today, we're going to play Jumping Jolly. So I want you to sit on the floor like we always do in the classroom, sit crisscross applesauce, and I'm going to show you the cards, and you say the cards and say the sound. And then, of course, when you see the Jumping Jolly card, what do? Good. You stand up and you say Jumping Jolly, and you jump. One, two, three, and sit back down. Okay? Here we go. Z. Z. K, K, oh, tricked you. N, N, N. B, B, B. U, U, Jumping Jolly. One, two, three, sit. Y, Y, Y. S, H. Shh. Tricked ya. A, A, A. Jumping Jolly. One, two, three, sit. L, L, ooh. Q, Q, V, V, V. E, E, E. Jumping Jolly. One, two, three, sit. D, D, D. Trick ya. Jumping Jolly. One, two, three, sit. M, M, mm. H, H, J, J, J. S, S, S. Jumping Jolly. One, two, three, sit. G, G, G. R, R, R. Jumping Jolly. One, two, three. O, O, ah. Jumping Jolly. One, two, three. C, C, F, F, T, H, W, W, W. Jumping Jolly. One, two, three, sit. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed that and you can practice Jumping Jolly every day so that you can keep practicing your letters and your letter sounds, okay? All right, friends, I'll see you soon. Bye.